So now you got your new background transparency.
Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Kuwaita back with another video. And today guys, in this video I'm gonna show y'all how to make your background transparent in Photoshop. Now when I say transparent, I mean you guys can use your photo or your logo on a t-shirt or anything that y'all want to do, just to remove the little white thingy around it. So anyways guys, before going into this video, you guys can get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be on the screen and in the description below, so make sure y'all go over there and check it out. So anyways guys, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's get into this video.
So alright guys, the first thing that y'all need to do is to just open up Photoshop. And guys, if you don't have Photoshop, please comment down in the comment section so that I can show y'all how to download Photoshop if you don't have it. But for those who have, just open up Photoshop and let's begin. Alright guys, now that Photoshop has been opened, what I want y'all to do is just go on to Google Chrome. And this is, for example, we're gonna look for cat logos. So we're gonna look for some cats logo. We're just gonna pick anyone. I'm gonna pick this guy right here. Alright, so I'm gonna set this to download right here in this folder. Alright, so now that you've gotten your logo, what I want y'all to do is just go and click File, then New, and just find your logo. And here's mine. Okay, nice. So now that we have our cat logo, now you may be seeing this one, like this magic one that I'm having here on the screen. Now yours might be a mouse. How to get this one? You'll go right here on this one, and you're gonna right click. Now you should see quick selection tool or magic wand tool. I want y'all to just click on magic wand tool. Now when you do it, it's turned. See, it's the one. So what I want y'all to do is just click this white part on your logo. Just click it, double tap on it, and what I want y'all to do is to just come right here. Yours now, on your photo, yours should be like background. You should see background right here. But on mine, because this is a logo already, you're gonna see layer. So if you see background on yours, just double tap on here, and you should see layer. You should see something come up that says layer 0, and just click OK. But mine's different because this is already a logo ready to use. So what y'all need to do is just click OK, and the next and final step that you want to do to finish to make this transparent is to just touch the delete button on your keyboard. So just hit delete. Now that you've hit delete, here's your transparent background. So now you can use this logo on a shirt. If you have a merch website, you can use it on a shirt to print or any other thing. This is your logo, so the white part is removed. So what you want to do now is you can adjust the size of the image if you want, with the width and the height, but I'm not gonna touch anything else. So if you're okay with the size and the image, what you all need to do is just go back into File, and then hit right here that says Save for Web. Click on it, and a window should appear. Always ensure that this button right here is checked. Always ensure that this button right here is checked that says transparency. Always ensure that it is always checked. That's when the background is not transparent. Now turn on the transparency and it's transparent. Now hit save and choose your destination where you want to save it. For this video purpose, I'll just put it right there. It's asking me to replace. I'll just say yes, replace. So now you got your new background transparency.
So anyways guys, if this video was helpful for you, please smash that like button down below and please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also please remember to use the promo code DASH to get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. So anyways guys, it's me your boy Corey Tech. Peace out.